जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 7th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, you have asked another question, that Krishna, when is the right time for you to take birth? As we are all taking birth when our either merits or demerits gets completely ripened, completely fertiled. At that time we take birth. But when is the right time for your birth? That was the question. So Arjuna, I take my birth when there is a destruction to dharma. Dharma is something which is prescribed by Vedas. Dharma is which is something practiced by elderly people who follows our Vedas. That is dharma. When there is any kind of destruction going on, and when there is any kind of decline to that dharma, at that time, according to my sankalpam, I take my birth and I come down in different forms to protect dharma, to remove the entire of adharma. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma instructing all of us not to cause any kind of destruction to dharma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirbhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep on doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall do namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimadbhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimadbhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing the process of Srishti to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, from Mahat Tattvam, Ahankara Tattvam comes out. When Sattvagunam is predominant in Ahankara Tattvam, that is known as Vaikarikam, and Sattvika Ahankaram, which is also known as. And when Tamogunam is predominant in Ahankaram, that is known as Bhutadi, which is also known as Tamasa Ahankaram. And when Rajogunam is predominant, then that is known as Rajasa Ahankaram. O Narada, Sattvika Ahankaram brings out Jnanam and all the senses which gives us Jnanam, Jnanendriyas. And Tamasa Ahankaram brings out all kind of Mahabhutas and all the entities. Then Rajasa Ahankaram along with Sattvika Ahankaram, both of them combinedly brings out the activity, Kriya Shakti, and the knowledge, Prajna Shakti. O Narada, from Tamasa Ahankaram, all the entities and Mahabhutas comes out. That is what I said. So that is known as Bhutadi. And from Tamasa Ahankaram, the sound comes out. Then from there, from Shabdam, from that sound, Akasam comes out. Akasam will be born. So this sound is known as Shastram. This Shastram helps us to realize between the visualized things and those who are visualizing, or the things which are seen and the who are seeing that. These kind of differences is given to us. That knowledge of that discrimination is given to us by this Shastram. O Narada, Nabhasodha Vikurvanat Abhut Sparsha Guno Nilaha. Like this, from tamasa ahankaram akasam came out, and from there the sparsha, touch, comes out. Touch is the quality of air, wind, vayu. So from sparsha, from the touch, vayu comes out. So the very natural quality of akasam is shabdam, and vayu's quality is sparsha. Because this vayu came out from akasam, that is why this vayu will have the nature of akasam, shabdam also, along with its own nature, that is sparsha, touch. And Narada, this vayu, this air, wind, changes into a form then which is known as pranam, the life. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma, describing the process of Srishti to Narada, the same thing is communicated by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshin Narendra. The same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Jikhve Kirtaya Kesavam Muraripum Cheto Bhaja Sridharam पाणिद्वन्द्वसमर्चयाच्युतकथाः श्रोत्रद्वयत्वं शृणु कृष्णं लोकय लोचनद्वय हरेः गच्छाङ्घ्रियुग्मालयं जिघ्रघ्राणमुकुन्दपादतुलसीं मूर्धन्नमाधोक्षजम् कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम् कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्षमाम. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 7th श्लोक. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.